So guys, this is Sunday 7 today. I'm just going to say I'm doing the challenge today. So that's a definite. I'm doing the challenge today because, look. The back! Flipping Norton is flipping thingy stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do it definite outside now. Alright. So I'm just going to get my fidget spinner. I don't know why I call it fidget spinner. Yes, yeah. So I've got my fidget spinner. I'll do some tricks. So yeah. Why?
Okay, monsters. Your next activity is to build the tallest goo tower in the goo pit.
Wait, I have to go somewhere. Okay. So yeah. You can just do some tricks. Okay. Tricks with my fidget spinner. So I can't do it. I'm just gonna do it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A spider has 8 legs.
Well done, me.
Do.
Are you okay, Rockabye?
Listen, it's my spider keeping me.
Time to put your spiders away.
Oh, I'll never get Brian now. I don't remember good at anything.
I'm so crap. I've got some crap skills with a fidget spinner.
Has anyone seen it?
Just joking. I'm a bit cringy.
Growlingly good, which means one of you can take Brian home.
Ooh.
Everyone's worked very hard, but there was one monster who did something really special. Waffle Bug.
Huh?
He's been very kind to all his friends.
Alright, I'm just watching Monster School or whatever. School of Wars. Or so see movies. Alright. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below, have you ever used a fidget spinner? So yeah, bye.